Hello there, welcome to my studio. Today we are going to unbox an excellent microphone so that the next video you will get a better audio. Let me hear back. Ooh, though this is our mic, today we are going to unbox it. Let us do it now. Okay, here we have the box from Audio Technica. It's a special edition AT2020v. It's a cardio condenser microphone. It's a silver colored edition. Why do we need this? Already we have BM here on this left side boom. Just to improve the quality, I bought this one now. This will go onto this boom. Okay, let us see what is inside here. Boom. Okay, some materials to read on your spare time. Let's keep it there for later usage. It's a nice soft pack. Keep it here. Then we have the sock mount. It's very important. People who uses mic, they should know the value of it. Really helps. Keep it. Then we have a nice pouch to keep your phone. If you are traveling, you can keep it here in this and carry with you. Fine, good one. Finally, we have the mic itself. All right. Wow, looks very nice. It's a silver colored and it has written Audio Technica. It's a special edition P48 condenser mic. Look at this color. It's very nice. It looks sexy. Right? It takes the XLR input. Okay, now I have done the setup. You can have a look at this. Mic is fitted on this boom with a shock mount, and this is an XLR cable going down all the way down to my focused audio device. This one is connected to my iPad. You can see there, right? Example, hello, check. You see the speaking up? This audio is from the mic. I will show you a simple sample, the audio recorded from this mic. Listen now.
Hello! You are hearing the voice from Audio Technica. Check.